Okay, it's time for another leaving vlog. Bit of an off-the-cuff walking tour, this time of Margaret Island in the middle of the Danube River in Budapest. So, quick recap on Budapest. Getting here was very easy. We flew from London on Ryanair. You'll see a separate video about that. Beautiful park. Yeah, very easy to get to the city. We're staying on the Pest side of the river. Certainly would recommend that. It's flatter for a start, so makes for easier walking. And there's a lot of tourist spots and restaurants, supermarkets, good accommodation. We've got an apartment here. It's very nice. I'll put a link to that somewhere. Things to do here, lots to do here, lots of things to go and see. Really good city for walking, so you can walk pretty much everywhere. Good public transport as well. There's a really good metro system. We've only used it once so far, but very good and easy to use. Gets you a lot of places. Just got to try and avoid the school groups that are here today because they're very noisy. So bear with me while I veer left here. Yeah, so we've mainly walked around the place looking at the main sites: Buda Castle, the Fisherman's Bastion, Matthias Church, this park obviously. Been to the Central Market a couple of times. Right, let's go over here. The buildings and the architecture are the highlight of the visit here. Just amazing buildings. Food wise, really good. We've done a mixture of self-catering in our apartment, buying stuff at the supermarket and cooking it, and going out for the odd dinner or lunch. You've got to try the Hungarian goulash soup. That's definitely one thing you should try. Cost wise, it's a pretty cheap place really. We've been really happy with our accommodation cost. Haven't spent a lot getting around because we've walked. The attractions, if you want to go inside some of the places, are a little bit more pricey. We've not done a lot of that. We're on a pretty tight budget, the flashpacking budget, so we've been enjoying the outside of the places more than the inside. I'll put a summary up of our costs at the end of this video. We've been here for 7 nights, so 6 full days. So I'll give you an idea of the costs on a week-long stay and a per night sort of stay. So we're leaving tomorrow by train, heading to Zagreb, Croatia. I think that's about all I have for today. Keep watching and please subscribe. Catch you later. Cheers. Me again. One thing I forgot to mention. A real highlight last night that I completely forgot about, should have been clear in my mind, is we headed out just before sunset to the Buda side of the city, and we watched the lights get turned on at 9 PM on the Houses of Parliament, and yeah, that's definitely worth heading over there, seeing the lights, seeing the Danube and the boats at night. And then we walked back to the apartment across the Chain Bridge, checking out the other buildings that are lit up: St. Stephen's Church, the Buda Castle, the Opera House that's right near our apartment. So yeah, definitely check out Budapest at night. I'd recommend that.